Well, this is one of those things that just absolutely sucks when you own a skoolie. You see that puddle right there just below my steps? That's diesel fuel. I was on my way to northern part of Montana, Kalispell actually, last night, and I smelt diesel really, really bad. And it was something that I'm not familiar with when it comes to my bus. I've never really smelt diesel really bad. So I decided to pull over, and I popped the doghouse cover right here while I was driving and took a look at the fuel injector pump, and needless to say, it was spitting fuel everywhere out of the fuel line. So I'll flip the camera around and see if I could show you exactly what I'm talking about. Alright, so check this out. That's the fuel injection pump manifold right there, okay? Now, if you look right down there, you see that nick in that hose? That's the hose that's been spitting fuel all over the place. It goes all the way up and it connects right there. And then when you follow it all the way back down, you see how it's covered in that wire loom. It goes all the way down there and wraps around those lines. And then if you notice, it comes back up, all the way up to literally right here. So the idea basically is to try and see if I can get it disconnected and cut and still have enough line to reroute it over those lines and back in so that I can hit the road. But there's no guarantee. The good news is that I'm literally parked in a gas station parking lot right across the street from a Napa Auto Parts. So if I need parts or any type of fitting supplies, at least I can grab those. And another thing that I've got in my favor, it's the old 12 valve 5.9 mechanical Cummins. So these things are kind of bulletproof and pretty simple to work on. So I'm going to go ahead and see what I can do on getting this problem fixed, and then I'll keep you posted along the way. Alright, well, I got the line rerouted right there. You can see I went up over, and then I went ahead and I fed it back through all the way up to the front. You can see I have it disconnected right there. It hooks up literally right there. So it's going to give me enough room. As you can see, I know the sun right there is a little bit tough, but you can see right there I've got enough room. And then you can see the nick in the line right there. It literally got rubbed raw. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this and get it reconnected, and then I'll fire it up and just see what happens. Hopefully that solves the problem. If not, looks like I'm gonna have to get some fuel line replacement. But in the meantime, that looks like that might actually fit. So I'm gonna try and get that cut as clean as possible and get it reattached, and I'll let you know what happens. All right, well, as you can see, I got that rerouted over like I showed you just in the other video clip. I've got it rerouted through all the injector line valley right there. And then I went ahead and I reconnected it where it connects to right there. I cut off this other piece of hose right here, and you can see what I was dealing with right there. And then you notice that it had that crack right on the inside. I know it's really hard to see, but it had a crack right here, right on the inside. You could barely see it. So I'm gonna go ahead, now that I got this recorrected, and I'm gonna start it up and make sure it's not leaking any fuel. So yeah, literally about 5.5, 6 inches. Luckily they ran the line underneath and it gave me enough room. So I'm gonna try and fire this up and see what happens. Well, she's running. Now it's time to check her for leaks. right, it looks like I am good to go, and that solved my problem. So, I hope you enjoyed the video. Disasters that happen when you're driving a skoolie. This is my day-to-day life, unfortunately. So, I will see you guys next time. I'm gonna go ahead and shut that off so I don't have to scream at you, you know what I mean? So anyway, you guys take care. I hope you enjoyed that quick fix that I had to do on this thing. If you liked anything about the video, leave a like on it. It really helps me out a lot. I could really use a lot more likes to get my channel out there, guys. So, other than that, share it with a friend. Don't forget your notification bell. And I will see you next time. Take care. Well, I'm on the road again, and it was that easy of a fix. Had to double check it a couple of times just to make sure, but other than that, I'm good to go. So don't forget to subscribe. Take care.